Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're diving deep into an exciting new Web3 project, IROSH. Whether you're a blockchain developer, a crypto enthusiast, or just curious about how AI and DeFi can come together, this video is for you. Okay guys, now we will connect our wallet. Our wallet has connected, now we will go to staking section to explore staking. Now we will stake 200 IROSH tokens. IROSH token has staked successfully. Now we will wait for some time, then we will unstake IROSH token. Here is our staking details. Okay guys, now we will unstake IROSH tokens, and after that we will click on Get Reward to get our rewards in IROSH tokens. We had successfully unstaked our IROSH tokens. Now we will claim our rewards. We had successfully claimed the staking reward. Now we will move towards vesting lock feature. Now we will go to admin page of vesting lock. Then we will fill out vesting lock form fields. First, we will switch to our admin account to proceed further with the token lock because admin can only lock the IROSH tokens. Admin is now locking 2,000 IROSH tokens. On every 3 minutes, cycle admin will receive 20% of the total lock tokens. Admin had successfully locked the tokens. Here is our lock record. Now we will see our lock records on user page. When TGE date will end, so admin will claim first time 20%, and then after every 3 minutes, cycle admin will receive further 20%. Okay guys, admin had successfully completed his first claim. Now admin will wait for 3 minutes and will do second claim. Okay guys, admin had successfully claimed second time. Now we will move to AI trading feature. Okay guys, now we will move to admin AI trading page. Then we will create AI trading pool where user can easily lend their tokens and earn rewards from AI trading. We had successfully created AI trading pool. Now we will see the details of our AI trading pool from admin and user page. Okay, before going to user AI trading page, we will switch to user account. Now user will lend 3,000 IROSH tokens to earn rewards. The user had successfully lended their tokens. Now in some time, deposit time will end and pool time will start. Then we will wait for the pool time to end to claim rewards. Now we will again go to admin AI trading page, and there admin will add profit which admin had earned from AI trading. Okay, guys, now admin will add 500 IROSH tokens as profit, which will be distributed among user on the basis of ratio. The profit had successfully been added by admin. Now we will go to user AI trading page. Before claiming profit, we will first switch to user account. User had successfully claimed the lended tokens and profit user had earned from the pool. Join the IROSH community today and unlock the full potential of your digital assets. Stay tuned for more detailed tutorials on how to navigate each feature with ease. Let's build the future of finance together.